welcome to the Twins Take. Today what we're going to make is Alcremie Cupcakes. Alcremie is a fairy type Pokemon and she's known as the cake Pokemon. And she does look a lot like a cupcake, so today I'm featuring her on a cupcake. So we're making vanilla cupcakes with pink vanilla frosting, and we're going to make some candy milk Alcremies to stick onto the top of our cupcakes. Let's get started. So first we're going to preheat the oven to 350 Fahrenheit degrees. Line your muffin tin with, line a 12 tin muffin tin with cupcake liners or paper liners. Okay, in a medium bowl, let's combine the flour, baking powder, soda, and salt. Baking powder and baking soda and salt. Okay, so then we're gonna get a whisk and we're going to stir them up. Okay, so now we're going to get a half a stick of butter and we're going to stick it in the oven for a minute. So now we're gonna add the sugar. We're going to transfer our butter to the stove so that we can look at it more easier. Okay, so our butter is melted and we're gonna pour it in with the sugar. So let's grab our spatula and make sure all of the butter got in from the pan, because we wouldn't want to waste any. Now we're going to mix it with our whisk again. Mix it all up. Okay. So now that we've added all that and we've mixed it up, okay, we're gonna add the egg whites. We're gonna add a 1/4 of a cup of sour cream or yogurt. Then we can add the milk. So on the milk, you can add 3/4 of a cup and 1 tablespoon of vanilla. Beat it with our mixers. We're gonna get a half a tablespoon little measuring cup and we're going to scoop all of the things up out of here, and we're gonna put 1 scoop in each of these 12-line muffin tins. So we have our little thing here, and we're gonna get 1 scoop. And we're going to pour it into the muffin liner. Okay, so it'll be easier with a big spoon. This because these have it's really thick, so it's gonna be hard to get out of these measuring cups. But since we used it on the first one, so we gotta make sure we got everything out of this. So you can use your spatula, and if one is high and one has just a little, then they won't cook right because they gotta cook different. So you can take a little from one if it's too high and put it in the different one. I still have a little more batter, so I'm going to grab a smaller muffin tin to finish it off. So line it with paper wrappers. Now we're going to pour the candy melts into it. So you want a little red because there's the eyes, so about that much probably. We can always melt more if we need them. And then we need a lot of pink because that's the main color. That's probably good. And then we're going to do chocolate chips for the eyes and the mouth. The tiniest amount in, probably that much. Okay, so now we'll put them in the oven. So these are our cupcake toppers and they're going to go into the frosting. So I want to pick up one bowl. It's a paper towel because they're very hot because they just came out of the oven. And we're going to scoop the candy melts into one of the bags. going to decorate our sugar toppers. So we're gonna start from the bottom with a little wavy line. And then we're gonna draw a circle and a head. And then we can do some arms. And then we're gonna do 2 pink swirls, like pigtails up by the heads. And then something that looks like dog ears going down right here. Okay, and then we're gonna do a like little elf hat right here, except it's like still made of whipped cream. I mean, yeah, cream. Okay, then we can draw her eyes, which are red. So 2 little circles. And then we can use our black for pupils and a small mouth. Like that. Okay, now we can make our next one. So we're going to make the white frosting to go on top of the cupcake. So first we're going to put powdered sugar in, 2.5 cups of powdered sugar, 1/3 of a cup of butter, 1/8 of a cup of half and half, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla. So we're going to slowly mix it around.